see. I'm on my way over to the kid's house to run some errands, and I'm not sure what it's doing out here today. It's sleeting, raining, snowing. I don't know what it's doing. Got, yeah, it's going to turn into a mess if it warms up enough to keep on raining. Don't need an ice storm, that's for sure. Yeah. Well, they got the main roads plowed, of course. My road never sees a snow plow. I only live like a couple miles from their little city hall, but we don't get snow plows anymore. Used to get it plowed first thing because the neighbor 2 doors down had a construction company, his own construction company. Yeah, I mean, this is like way back, I mean, in the 50s and 60s when I was growing up. And he put all the water mains and everything in the valley here. So he'd get out his, it was a road grader, and by the time everybody got up, by the time everybody got up, that there wasn't that many people that lived there, about 4 or 5 houses, but by the time they got up, our street was the best plowed in the whole county, you know. Oh well. Miss the old days. Yeah, it's kind of pretty out. Whoa, kind of bumpy out, too. Okay, oops. Let's see here. We're going up. Yeah, none of the side streets out here are going to see a plow, that's for sure. They just wait for it to melt away or somebody to complain. Even complaining doesn't help anymore. Used to. Anyway, it's very pretty out, you know, but I don't know what it's doing. It feels like it's raining. Okay, I'm here. I gotta park this rig here. Alright, bye.